Hey loves, welcome to another video from Millionaire Street. Today we are making pancakes, and this simple milky buttery pancake is made from all these ingredients that you are seeing like this. So we have eggs, we have melted butter, we have milk powder or milk flavor, we have sugar, we have liquid milk, we have vanilla flavor, or you can use any flavor of your choice. So first and foremost, let's dive into the video. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please, if you haven't subscribe, kindly subscribe, and if you like what you see, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? And drop in the comment section where you are watching from and how do you also make your own pancakes. We are all out here to learn. Thank you. So I'll start by getting a clean bowl. I'll break my eggs, I'll pour them in, then I'll go with my liquid milk. You can go with any milk of your choice, but this is what I have that is available, or the brand that I choose. So you can still go with any brand of your choice. So you first of all add all your liquid ingredients in one place. I'm adding my butter, melted butter. Then you mix very well. Mix it very well until it is smooth, until you have a smooth batter before you can proceed in making the pancakes.